Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for your restaurant business. So here I'm going to explain to you the very basics so that you'll be able to understand the concept of using QuickBooks for your restaurant business. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to track the daily sales. Next is to records food and operating expenses, monitors inventory, and shows the profit or the loss. Okay, so starting off, just go to the settings. Okay, so make sure that you already have a QuickBooks account. So just open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for QuickBooks. And then once you have created your account, just simply tap on this setting. Okay, that's right. Then after that, click the account and settings. So under the your company option, okay, and then we just have to set our business type to restaurant or food services. So here under the company, so just go here, go to the industry type. That's right. And then tap on this option right here. And then if you can find a restaurant option, so you just have to tap on it. Okay, and then if you don't have the option as well, then you can also choose the accommodation and food services. Okay, after that, click on the save option and then tap on done. And then for the accounting method, you also need to choose the actual. This one is recommended for restaurant. And then you also have the currency and then your tax settings. Okay, so this makes the reports accurate for food cost and the sales tracking. Next, once you are done is you just have to set up the chart of account. So to do that, just go to the settings once again and go to the chart of account. That's right. And then for the income, we just have to add food sales, beverage sales. So you just have to create the key restaurant accounts. So to create one, just tap on the new account option. That's right. And then for the account name, for example, I am going to type out food sales. That's right. And then for the account type, this should be income. Okay. And then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, so next we are also need to create food costs and for the cost of goods sold. So I'm just going to tap on food cost. That's right. And then for the account type, okay, so you can also select cost of goods sold. Okay, and then I'm just going to select cost of sales. That's right, and then tap on the save option. And of course, for our expenses, we are going to add here staff wages, utilities, rent, and supplies. I'm just going to create one for the expenses as well. Okay, so for example, supplies. Okay, and then for the account type, this should be expenses. Okay, that's right. And then you just have to select one, then tap on the save option. Okay, so I'm just going to put tree so we will have a different name. Okay, so the concept of this one, this helps you to see where money comes from and where your money goes. Next is to record the daily sales. Okay, so for the manual method, we just have to go to the new option. That's right, and then go to the sales receipt. Okay, and then once you're done right here, just have to enter our total daily sales, or cash card, or online payments. And for our option 2, we can also use the POS integration. So POS systems like Square, Toast, Clover, or Sales automatically sync to QuickBooks. So restaurant usually enter daily totals, not every order. Okay, so you just have to add it right here. Now for the next one is to track the expenses and bills. So again, go to the new option and then just go to the expense. So this one is for paid items. Okay, so you just have to add the details right here. So for example, we have food supplier invoice, gas, electricity, and water, or packaging and cleaning supplies. So you just have to add that right here. Now again, go back to new and then select the bill option. Okay, so here you can add all of your bill, so you can track um, the expenses and your bills. Okay, so the next one, this helps control the food cost and your operating costs. So in order for you to use the bill, is we have to upgrade our plan. So currently we are on the simple start, so you have to upgrade to essential in order for you to use the bill. Okay, so next is to manage the inventory. So just tap on the sales and get paid option. That's right. So just go to the products and your services. So you just have to tap on this products or services option. That's right. And then I just have to create items like rice, chicken, or soft drinks. To create new item, tap on the new option. Then we have your service or non-inventory item. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to, tap on the non-inventory item for this one. Okay, so you just have to add here the name like rice, chicken, soft drinks. Okay, and then initial quantity, cost per item, so inventory updates when you record purchases and your sales. Okay, so next is for your payroll and your staff wages. So just have to go to the payroll, you just have to add your employees, and then you can now track the salaries, the overtime, the benefits. So even with that QuickBooks payroll, you can also record wages as expenses. Okay, so next is the reports. So know if the restaurant is profitable. So to do that, just go to the reports option. That's right. And then here we have the reports and analytics. So starting off with our standard report. Okay, so it is very important to see your profit and loss, the sales by product service, and then the expenses by vendor. So for the profit and loss, you have that right here. So for example, you would like to see your record. So simply tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your record. Okay, so if you want to see the sales by products service as well, so go back here to standard reports and then you just have to tap on it as well. Now this is where the owner decide if they're earning or losing money. So QuickBooks helps restaurant owners make smarter decision. So whether you run a small cafe or a full restaurant, QuickBooks gives you control over your money. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.